Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add contact Gmail account. Open Gmail, then click on Google Apps and select Contacts. There you will be able to see the contacts you currently have. To add one in your email, hover over the email and then click on the Add to Contacts icon. You can go back to the Contacts tab, and when you refresh it, you will see this contact added. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.